All eyes are on the oil market. Let's bring in Michele Schneider of the MarketGauge Group. A big pop in oil. What do you think about this move, Michele?
Well, having been an old oil trader back in the day on the floor in New York, I could tell you that all commodities, and oil is certainly no exception, are very emotional trades. And once you get the emotions peaked, that's when you start to see these parabolic moves. So we hit, I think, $84 a barrel on Monday. That was obviously a new high since several years. Energy prices soaring. Even the alternative energy market started to pick up because it seems like all hands on deck to be able to fuel the oncoming winter. And of course, with demand still relatively light, since a lot of countries are just getting over lockdown, like Australia, for example, that means that demand could soar, particularly if it's any kind of rough winter. And I've read that supply is already low for heating oil. So, yeah, I mean, it looks like it's not only a good investment, although I would say very much more risky at these lofty levels, but more importantly is what does it do to the overall market? What kind of havoc does it wind up wreaking on equities and people's wallets as we're getting also into an important holiday season?
It really does come down to people's wallets at the end of the day. That is an excellent point. What is your trade of the day for us, Michele?
Well, we're sort of focused on some of the stocks that are emerging from bottoms that we feel could do well in any environment. So, for example, eHealth, EHTH, had been a very hot stock. It's tied to online buying medical plans online, including Medicare. And it's doing a nice rounding bottom here with a little bit of a breakout. So if it holds around 40 to 42, that's the support level. And I think we can see 50 to 60, depending a lot on what happens with the government spending package, because some of that money will go to people being able to afford to buy new health plans.
Always thinking ahead of the curve. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you so much.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.